Hi everyone, welcome to our channel GK English Special. Today topic tax system of India related top 10 most important GK question and answer. Let's start video. Question number 1. Which of the following tax is levied at every stage of production? Option A VAT, B income tax, C custom duty, D GST. Right answer option A VAT. Important notes. VAT stand for value add tax and is levied on the every stage of production. Question number 2. Which of the following is a form of indirect tax? Option A income tax, B wealth tax, C corporation tax, D sales tax. Right answer option D sales tax. Important notes. Income tax, wealth tax and corporation tax are all direct tax and levied by the central government. Sales tax, excise duty and custom duty are indirect tax mostly in the hand of the state government. Question number 3. Which of the following taxes are abolished by the goods and service tax? Option A property tax, B corporation tax, C VAT, D all of the above. Right answer option C VAT. Important notes. The goods and services tax, which has replaced the central and state indirect taxes such as VAT, excise duty and service tax, was implemented from 1st July 2017. Question number 4. If Tata imports a product from abroad, then which kind of tax would be levied on it? Option A VAT, B custom duty, C income tax, D corporation tax. Right answer option B custom duty. Important notes. Custom duty is imposed on all imported and exported goods. Question number 5. Which of the following tax is imposed by the central government but the state government collects it? Option A VAT, B income tax, C corporation tax, D stamp duty. Right answer option D stamp duty. Important notes. The right to impose stamp duty lies with central government but the state government has the right to collect it. Question number 6. What is meant by tax haven? Right answer option A country which gives tax exemption to the foreign citizens that there will be no tax on investing the money in their country. Important notes. Country that gives foreign citizens the facility to invest in their country and do not pay any tax on the profit earned by the invested money. Minorities and suffrage provide these facilities. Question number 7. What kind of tax system is found in India? Option A progressive, B degressive, C proportional, D none of the above. Right answer option B degressive. Important notes. There are 3 rates of income tax are applicable in India, i.e. 5%, 10%, 20% and 30%, which is progressive in nature initially but later on it become proportional, which is called degressive rate. Degressive tax is a mix of between the progressive tax and proportional tax. Question number 8. Under this system of taxation, the tax rate diminishes as the taxable amount increases. Which system are we talking about? Option A progressive taxation, B regressive taxation, C degressive taxation, D proportional taxation. Right answer option B regressive taxation. Important notes: in regressive taxation, the tax rate diminishes as the amount increases. Question number 9. Which model of GST has been chosen by India? Option A USA, B Canada, C UK, D China. Right answer option B Canada. Important notes: India has chosen the Canadian model of dual GST. Question number 10. Which of the following is not imposed by the central government? Option A agricultural tax, B corporation tax, C custom duty, D sales tax. Right answer option A agricultural tax. Thank you. Please like video and subscribe my channel.